to day number 12 of the 14-day passive income challenge. I'm super excited that you're still with us, and I can't believe we're holding a day 12. Today we're going to discuss trust. How do you know whom to trust when putting together your passive income plan? And how important it is to do your due diligence. Stay tuned. You have to understand, when you're investing in your passive income plan, you're investing for the long term. It's not a short-term thing. So it's important, put in the hours, put in the time that you have to in order to make sure that you're only working with people you trust. If you tell me that you don't trust anybody, you're telling me that you're most probably not successful with your passive income plan. In order for you to get to the next level in your passive income planning, you have to establish trust in other managers and other people who can help you in a team that can help you get eventually to accomplish your passive income goals. If you're not gonna have that, you're probably signing up for failure when it comes to your passive income planning. So I'm not telling you to have blind trust. No. You should do your due diligence. An hour spent today could save you days, weeks, or months in the future. Could save you so much aggravation. So make sure you put in the time to invest in your passive income plan, to make sure you work with people that you can trust. But once you find out that you can trust that person, once you establish the trust, once you did your process to make sure you can trust, and of course your gut feeling tells you also that you can trust, don't be afraid to pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Do what you have to do. And Be'ezer Hashem, this way you're going to get to establish your passive income foundation. Thank you for being with me on this exciting 14-day passive income challenge. Looking forward for the rest of the days of the challenge together.